So I'm Tracy Farr-Thompson and I run a small social enterprise called Turnabout Pegasus. We've actually been going since 2004 but amalgamated in 2011. So alongside that I'm a social worker and a play therapist as well. So we work with horses and nature and dogs. You've just met two of our lovely dogs. In 2011 we got some funding from Paul Hamling. A lady approached us and said, will you do like a pilot project for equine assisted therapy? And I said yes. Alongside that came funding for like a website and things. And we had a lovely website, but I could do absolutely nothing with it. It was made by people who were like website geeks, and it was very complicated. And then it was nice, but it was no longer fit for purpose. Both Nathan and Ben, they sort of helped me decide who to go with. We had a look at the old website and just how we would update it, and which format we were going to use and how it would work, and who would need access to it. All those years ago when I was doing the other website, it was just like they did it and that was it. And I couldn't remember having much input. And this has been much more interactive, and I think that's really been important. That made it just so much easier, and like they walked me through every part, and I could actually understand what they were talking about. They made it like really user-friendly and be able to actually do something, so I can actually do things on it. And I think that was absolutely invaluable, just absolutely fantastic, and just like just the warmth and just like really walking you through it and being really available. I couldn't recommend them anymore.